I am where soil, fresh water, and salt water meet, land, the water, and the oceans. I am the estuary. I am life. I am the ebb and the flow. I am the birthplace of so many species, including yours. Your eldest cities grew from my embrace, and you still seek me out for your development, for my fresh water, for my access to the ocean, and for my aquatic nurseries. Some have called me a worthless swamp. They say that I'm drowning the land. But it is you, closed-minded human, that would drown without me. I drink and clean the extra water of the cascading floods which flow right through me. I am the one who nurtures and harbors all of the children of the species that you rely on to eat. I am the one protecting the soil and your species from the hungry ocean waves and the angry storms. And yet, you continue to drain me. You continue to strip me of my filtering plants. Your kind has cut down my mangrove storm barriers, and you have destroyed the nurseries of the fish, crustaceans, and the very oysters that you eat. So much destruction. And for what? For the expansion of your cities and resorts? For all of my beautiful waterfront views? Have you thought about my view? From down here, it's not so beautiful. You may try to erase me, but alas, I am the cradle of life, and I will continue to exist wherever the rivers, land, and oceans meet. I guess what I'm really trying to say is, I don't need you. I've learned how to weather the coming storms. I've learned how to protect myself, my friends, including protecting you. But I wonder, are you willing to do the same?